Ayan, yung gawin nating steamed fish guys. Oh, hindi pa yan naluluto. Not yet finished cooking. No steam, just we steam now. Look at that. Oh, this is for the steam guys. Laki-laki niya, no? Malaki kaya ito guys. Ayan, dalawa lang kami ito kakain ni mom. Kami lang nito kakain ni mom. Dalawa. Ayan, napakalaki. Grabe na to. Oh, napakalaki. Chik-chik. Chik-chik na yan. Chik-chik. Ayan, napakalaki. Napakalaki. Tapos, ang ilalagay ko guys, ayan. Mamaya. Kasi meron na tayo dito. Ginger. Steamed ginger with spring onions, and after put this one garlic with spring onions. Thank you so much for watching. Hello guys, this is our and then around. It's so hot. My gosh, dito. Okay. And then yes, garlic, onions, sugar, and of course for steam sauce. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Enjoy. Ayan, napakasarap. Grabe. Masarap talaga. Grabe na yan. Sarap na sarap.